The Second Age. The Second Age does not concern us simply because of the ancient elves. The Second Age also saw many of the Nephilim leave for heaven. Most of those who didn't leave this place made a new home in Atlantis. The rest saw their societies collapse with very strange endings. This was also the beginning of Judaism, and thus Islam, and Huasha. It is the setting for the epic battle between Rama and Ravana. It led to the events of the Third Age, which not only gave us Satan and Dionysus, but really defined the god's ideal vision for a primitive planet. The vast majority of the Third Age, on the other hand, is not so important. It was a place of purposeful primitivism. The entire thing was one of being, not becoming, though it is worth studying from a historical perspective. What was really important, as we shall see, was the dusk of the Third Age, which led to the rediscovery of agriculture, livestock, intermediate magics, and class struggle. It culminated with the Hittites, whose discovery of copper and of the ley led to a series of complicated alliances and rivalries, each mediated by a Nos. This of course broke out into the dreadful Trojan War, also known as the Kurukshetra War, and the decisions cast there have repercussions for us to this day. The ending of this war brought about the Kali Yuga. Soon, society changed and progressed into the nations of the empire. Anti-deistic thought was personified by none other than Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, and later, the second coming of the Lord of Light. History was interrupted by a newcomer, the Empress Cristo, who challenged the gods and united the world. Though she kept the homeworld in a state of medieval, ancient, and antique ways, she moved on to conquer the stars themselves. So, let us begin at the beginning, the formation of the oldest nations of our empire, Sinai and Israel.